These incredibly satisfying miniature wooden car building videos are pulling in millions of views. And the best part is that this niche is still largely untapped. Brand new creators are gaining thousands of followers, with some videos already reaching millions of views. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral miniature wooden car videos in just a few minutes using AI. Now let's get started. The first step is generating prompts for your AI miniature wooden car videos. To make the process fast and effortless, open the Google Doc linked in the description below and copy the complete prompt template. Next, head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Simply edit it by entering the number of car ideas you want the AI to generate, then press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will create a list of unique car. Browse through the suggestions and choose your favorite, or type in your own custom car idea if you have something specific in mind. Once you hit enter again, ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete, highly detailed cinematic prompt containing everything you need to create a realistic AI miniature wooden car video, from the carving scenes to the final luxury showcase. Now it's time for the final step, generating your AI miniature wooden car video. Open Flow AI and switch to video mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, select the Omni Flash video model and choose your preferred video duration. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the complete cinematic prompt it generated. Paste the prompt into Flow AI, then click Generate. In just a few moments, Flow AI will create a stunning, ultra-realistic AI miniature wooden car video. Once your first video is finished, simply repeat the same process with different car prompts to create an endless supply of unique viral videos. Now let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.